Welcome to Dawiso Academy. For data governance, security and trust are essential. But in many organizations, access control swings between two extremes. Either it's buried in complex hierarchies that make gaining permissions painfully slow, or it's so unstructured that sensitive data ends up in the wrong hands. That's where Dawiso comes in. It offers a straightforward and reliable way to manage access, which is adaptable to any organizational structure. And when combined with clear ownership and stewardship, which we'll explore in an upcoming video, it becomes a comprehensive framework for secure and effective data governance. Let's start with the basics. In Dawiso, there are three main license roles: viewer, contributor, and admin, each designed to match a different level of access. First, let's take a look at the viewer, which is a read-only role. This role is ideal for users who need to explore documentation, view lineage diagrams, or browse metadata, but shouldn't be able to make any changes. Next is the contributor. Contributors can view content, create new entries, and edit existing information within the spaces they've been given access to. And finally, the admin. Admins have full control of the platform. They manage users, set permissions, configure settings. In other words, they do everything. This role-based system keeps your data protected while still giving teams the flexibility they need to collaborate. But access control in Dawiso doesn't stop just there. Beyond user roles, Dawiso supports detailed permission settings at the space level and even at the object level. Let's take a look. From the settings menu, select users and permissions. Here, as admins, you can manage individual users, create new accounts, update user details, or remove users when needed. You can also assign them to groups or configure their access to specific spaces. Or, for easier management, you can create user groups. Instead of managing permissions one user at a time, you can group users together and manage their space access collectively, saving time and ensuring consistency. And finally, in the roles section, you get a clear overview of roles. Use the three tabs: admin, contributor, and viewer to quickly see who holds which role across your organization. For example, you can grant your finance team write access to the reporting space while giving marketing read-only access. And for sensitive areas like legal or HR, you can keep access private and limited to specific individuals or groups. All of this can also be managed automatically by integrating with external identity providers like Microsoft Entra, Kerberos, LDAP, or other Active Directory services. These integrations allow you to sync user groups and roles directly, so you don't have to manage permissions manually in Dawiso. But access also needs flexibility. People switch roles, teams evolve, and projects finish. That's why Dawiso makes it easy to reassign roles, modify group permissions, and track user activity for other purposes. Every action is traceable, helping you meet compliance standards and ensure that data is accessed responsibly. And how does this support governance, data security, and trust in the organization? With Dawiso's extensive user and permission management system, you're enabling governance by protecting sensitive data, promoting efficient collaboration, and building trust across teams by making sure everyone has access to what they need. It's a foundational step towards secure and scalable data governance. Thank you for joining us. We hope this video has deepened your understanding of data governance and demonstrated how Dawiso can effectively support you in your data journey.